In today's video, we will learn how to introduce ourselves in English. This video is meant for the beginners. At the end of this video, you will be able to introduce yourself in English. We start a conversation with a greeting. Greeting अर्थात् सम्बोधन बाट हामी ऑडियन्स सँग सम्बन्ध स्थापना गर्छौं. ग्रीटिङ धेरै कुरामा निर्भर गर्दछ. ग्रीटिङ स्थान, सम्बन्ध, समय आदिमा निर्भर गर्दछ. ग्रीटिङ can be of two types. Formal अर्थात् औपचारिक, informal अर्थात् अनौपचारिक. Formal greeting includes the expressions like hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Informal greeting includes the expression hi. After greeting, you have to tell who you are. अर्थात् आफ्नो नामबाट परिचय सुरु गर्नु पर्दछ. यसका लागि हामी तीन प्रकारका स्ट्रक्चर्स प्रयोग गर्न सक्छौं. For example, my name is, I am, यो तेस्रो स्ट्रक्चर बोलीचाली अर्थात् स्पोकन फर्ममा प्रयोग गरिन्छ. Let's see the examples. My name is Abhishek Rana. I am Vivek Dhakal. I'm Sam Suvedi. After name, you can say how old you are. अर्थात् आफ्नो उमेर भन्नुपर्छ. यसका लागि हामी दुई प्रकारका स्ट्रक्चर्स मार्फत आफ्नो उमेर व्यक्त गर्न सक्छौं. For example, I am ... years old. I am ... इन्ट्रोडक्सनमा एज भन्नै पर्छ भन्ने छैन. Introducing age is optional. Let's see the structures in examples. I am 14 years old. I am 14. Next, you should include where you are from. अर्थात् आफ्नो स्थायी ठेगाना कहाँ हो भनेर बताउनु पर्छ. You can use the following structures to express your place of origin. I am from. I am originally from. I was born in. I come from. यो स्ट्रक्चर्सलाई सेन्टेन्समा प्रयोग गरेर हेरौं है त. I am from Dhading. I was born in Nawalparasi. I come from Palpa. Next, you should include your residence. अर्थात् अहिले तपाई कहाँ बसिरहनु भएको छ यो अस्थायी ठेगाना भन्नुहोस्. Let's see the structures. I live in. I currently live in. I am currently living in. यो स्ट्रक्चर्सलाई सेन्टेन्समा हेरौं है त. I live in Kathmandu. I currently live in Kalanki. I am currently living in Balkhu. Next, you should include what you do or your occupation. अर्थात् तपाई वर्तमानमा के काम गर्नुहुन्छ यो पेशाको बारेमा बताउनुहोस्. प्राय पढाइ वा काम नै हाम्रो पेशा हुने गर्दछ. Let's see the structures. I am a ... work, job, occupation, studying or working at ... institution. तपाई काम, जागिर अथवा पेशाको आधारमा को हुनुहुन्छ जस्तै टिचर, स्टुडेन्ट, बिजनेसम्यान, ब्याङ्कर, शपकिपर, फार्मर. यसलाई पहिलो खाली ठाउँमा राख्नुहोस् र दोस्रो खाली ठाउँमा कार्यथलोलाई जनाउनुहोस्. यो स्ट्रक्चर्सलाई वाक्यमा प्रयोग गरेर हेर्दा I am a student studying at NKC. I am a manager working at ABC company. Next, you should talk about your hobbies. अर्थात् आफ्नो रुचिको बारेमा कुरा गर्नु पर्दछ. तलका स्ट्रक्चर्स मार्फत आफ्नो रुचिको बारेमा कुरा गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। My hobbies are I like ... in my free or spare time. I'm fond of. I enjoy. यो स्ट्रक्चर्स पछि जहिले पनि verb plus ing अर्थात् continuous verb को प्रयोग गर्नु पर्दछ। Let's see the examples. My hobbies are singing, dancing, acting. I like reading and writing in my free time. And another is, I'm fond of visiting new place and making friends. Next, you should talk about your family. अर्थात् आफ्नो परिवारको बारेमा बताउनुहोस्। परिवारको आकार एवं सदस्य संख्या बारे तपाई बताउन सक्नुहुन्छ। Let's see the structure. I come from a small or joint family. There are ... members in my family. I have ... brother bracket S and sister in bracket you can write as. यो structures लाई वाक्यमा प्रयोग गरेर हेरौं है। I come from a small family. There are 4 members in my family. At the end of the introduction, you should talk about your aim or ambition in life. अर्थात् तपाई जिन्दगीमा के बन्न वा के गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ त्यस बारे तलका स्ट्रक्चर प्रयोग गरेर बताउन सक्नुहुन्छ। I want to be ... in the future. I would like to become a ... in my life. यो स्ट्रक्चर्स लाई वाक्यमा प्रयोग गरेर हेर्दा I want to be a businessman in the future. I would like to become a manager in my in my life. What have we read so far? Can you remember? Well, we start our introduction with a greeting. Name, age, place of origin, residence, occupation, hobbies, family, and ambition. यी कुराहरूलाई एउटा उदाहरण सहित हेरौं है। Hello, I'm Abhidan Adhikari. I'm 16 years old. I'm originally from Kaski. I'm currently living in Kathmandu. I'm a student studying at NKC. My hobbies are reading new books and watching movies. I come from a joint family. There are 6 members in my family. I want to be an engineer in my life. Let's practice. यो दिएका वाक्यहरूलाई आफैले पूरा गर्नुहोस्। Fill in the blanks with your own information. This much for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.